In today's video, I will teach you how to edit photos to look professional in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea, then go to File, then Open. Then select the photo that you want to edit from your device. Now we're going to crop and straighten the photo. Start by selecting the crop tool or simply pressing C on your keyboard to activate the crop tool. Then adjust the crop area by dragging the handles or moving the crop box. To straighten the photo, use the Straighten option in the top menu and drag along the horizontal line in your image. Now press Enter to apply the crop. Now we're going to adjust the brightness and contrast. To do this, go to Image, Adjustment, and select Brightness and Contrast. Adjust the sliders to enhance the brightness and contrast of your photo. Then increase the contrast to make the photo pop, but avoid overdoing it. Now we're going to enhance the colors. To do this, go to Image, Adjustment, then Levels or Curves to adjust the color balance and tones. In Levels, move the black, gray, and white sliders to correct the color balance. In Curves, adjust the curve to refine the brightness and contrast. Now we're going to sharpen the image. To do this, go to Filter, Sharpen, then Unsharp Mask. Then adjust the amount, radius, and threshold sliders to sharpen details. But be careful not to over-sharpen, which can introduce noise. Now we're going to remove imperfections. Use the Spot Healing Brush tool to remove blemishes and spots. Then select the Clone Stamp tool to fix larger areas or clone parts of the image, and adjust the brush size and opacity as needed. An optional step is applying Vignette. Create a new layer by going to Layer, New, then select Layer, or simply click the Create New Layer button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then use the elliptical marquee tool to select the center of your photo. Then invert the selection by going to Select, then Invert, then go to Edit, then Fill, and choose black or white with reduced opacity for a subtle vignette effect. Then adjust the layer opacity to blend the vignette naturally. Then check for any final adjustments that you want to make, such as additional sharpening or color tweaks. If needed, apply a noise reduction filter to smooth out any graininess. To save your project with layers, go to File, then Save as PSD. And to export the edited photo, go to File, then Export As, and choose the format you need. And that's it! Your photo is now professionally edited and ready for any use. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.